Nah, ini sebelah kanan ini adalah Pasar Cabenge, Kabupaten Soppeng. Nah, di sini kita dapat pertigaan. Ini yang kalau ke kiri ini menuju perbatasan Kabupaten Bone. Yang tadi terus itu adalah, jadi kita mau rencana menuju Kabupaten Soppeng. Nah, sekarang ini kita berada di ruas jalan provinsi Cabenge Soppeng. Jadi ini dari Pasar Cabenge kita menuju Kota Soppeng.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. shit, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Mantap. Nah, ini kita masuk di gerbang batas kota masuki Kabupaten Soppeng. Nah, ini kalau ke kanan ini kita bisa juga potong kompas menuju Kota Soppeng. Nah, kita ambil kiri ini. Ini juga tetap menuju Kota Soppeng. Dan di sini ternyata batas aspal yang baru. Kita masuki lagi aspal yang jalannya masih sempit. Berarti ini masih jalan yang dulu. Tapi tetap aspal, mantap. Ini spot paling keren juga. Pohonnya hampir terhubung dari sebelah kiri ke kanan. Jadi tidak terlalu panas.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
Ini sekarang ini kita lintas dari Kabupaten Soppeng, Kota Soppeng, menuju Kecamatan Takalala, Kabupaten Soppeng. Nah, ini pintu gerbang batas kota.